Greetings to you, wonderful and great people. You're welcome to Afrinews channel. It's your man Rex. Please, if you're watching for the very first time or you've been watching without subscribing, please do me that favor. Hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up and drop your comments. You're highly appreciated for your time.
Remember, humble self, your number right activist, Comrade Stanley Sazal Sakwunokudi, the Coordinator General, Edo Diaspora Connect Worldwide, and the CEO, Stanley Sadi Enterprise. This morning I came to, what's the name of this community? Igbo Saige community to carry out a survey exercise. With my brother who is off camera now, he's the one holding the camera, Mr. 5K. So we said we should take a stroll while I try to organize working activities. Then we are moving. In fact, let me just go to Pidgin English. So as we move, they confront. And some just true. Since we almost finished the work, I just want to take IC of the area. May I know I be? I just find out I can't see one man sitting like this. This man with the see. So if I wait to be your name.
My name is Owamagbe Usagi.
Owamagbe Usagi. So the other man where they the same 5K can't know him. So 5K can't create that one. Now we just sit down and move. We take breeze. Going to the fact say no air for the environment for work. So I just want to relax. Now we can't ask this man a question. If you see this man leg me, you see how this leg be. Now this man can't give us information. See the time when Mountain of Fire building collapsed for somewhere for Sapler Road, Abi? PZ Sapler Road about 5 years ago. Nine in the work for the 9 the TT break as he speak. The team 4 midday, many of them injured, but he lost his spinal cord.
July
3rd. He lost his spinal cord. As we speak right now, he even showed me rubber. Wait till the piece. If you want shit now here, you know the film move again.
See rubber for ground the piece.
Where the piece they do everything with. You see him?
See cup one take the throw piece.
Now he hang for body. You see the situation. When I come ask, how far the people where you work for, how they do, till now, Mountain of Fire, no come me, they come ask the whereabouts of this man. I never do this kind of thing before, but to me it's very painful to find this kind of situation. I don't know this man before. So I want to make this man tell us what he see. Epa, how it happened?
Last 5 years, I go work for Mountain of Fire. Now one of my friends, they call her Avasa. Now be gas name. Now the guy now introduced me go there to go work for church on Sunday. As they work for the church, the next thing when I hear, would your break? Before I know, I just fall for my head and carry my head, come on, just fall for my waist. The church, that movement, now they carry me reach Stella Obasanjo. We both say no go fit say yes, he affect my spinal cord, na collar. They take me to specialists. When I reach specialist, they come fit 2 drip, give me. Then we come out. We carry me go Gbowo. When we come reach Gbowo, after 3 days, they say
UBTH.
They say okay, they say they want to give me bed. Me, I can't do S3. Money when we get, we don't take a take by medicine finish. Now I can't call mama. Mama can't say okay, in go come. Mama can't call the sister, my sister still look for money. That one can't say the woman when he rent that place for church, say he tell them say he give you the 30,000.
30,000 naira for this injury.
30,000. Then from there we can't go meet the Avata. The Avata no grip talk. From there I don't see the church and the church they don't get anything when they do. After when we do and finish after 2 years I can't go meet them. When I go meet them, they do and go here, they do and go
How
here.
you fit to reach there when you don't already lost?
And they shatter motor, and they shatter.
They carry you.
And they'll shatter. They'll put me for motor. When they come carry me, come go. When I don't use almost about 40,000 for transport, they are going to be the airport. They are going to be the airport for Dumais Road. That one say not be. That one not be airport again. I go be the one where they the back of a Satana market. That one come be the airport. I see it there. That one see they play me. Say that so they scatter and so they do this one. I go the main place. That one come give me that one. The cost give me 30,000. I say this 30,000 one they give me so money why they pay for motor. Now 8 times I don't carry motor come for 5,000. You know who show from there. I know one of them. I drop my phone up. They don't call me. I don't get money when I take the chop. Now let God know as I take the chop now. I don't get transport when I take go there. Now make me know who ghost is there. They don't leave me. Before okay. This man can't come today.
Okay, my brother, let me tell you, I know the wrong charity organization. I know that my own now be say this thing, this situation to me is very pathetic. Now, 2 things now we want to achieve here. We are going to fight Mountain of Fire to stand still until they can't listen to this man. That one and one. So after this video, I get this thing when I go ask what you will give me. Details. But one thing when I go tell you now, see, two things now we want to do. You give me your direct phone number. I go put up for this video. Wait. You will call them now, your direct phone number. You call them, I go see right now. Yeah, bring a comment. Bring a comment down, man. Yeah? Listen. You give me your direct phone number. You give me your direct phone number. We will call them out now. Then your account number. You will see call them here. Then you write and give me because this video now pre-recorded. It will say network day here. I will make a live. Make everybody see you. You understand? Make everybody see you. And I believe say now people like Una, now philanthropists, Edo people around the world want assist. Please, I beg Mokuna assist this man. Sorry to use this word. Mountain of Fire don't almost waste this man. He's only breathing. Look at somebody's leg. Man not get spinal cord. So make I hear from your wife. Mama, what do you see? How you experience so far with this whole situation?
When my husband go Mountain of Fire go work. Me the church when they come say my husband get accident. So when I reach there, I find out reach a specialist. I see when I reach there, they carry a fake bed. It back, if Spanish cut your rise. As it the thing you take hit her, it can your swell up. People gather around. When I reach there, now I can carry rub when I put for bag. Can't take the rub it back. Can't they pray for her. Carry not say can't take the rub back. Now they can't tell us for them say this specially they know fit to we will carry and come out. Now that time we can carry and go specialist. When we reach specialist, we don't even see the church, the member of the church where he do for UBTH. Now only me with her can't get there. They'll say make I go this side, I will go. Make I go this side, I will go. They can't tell me say make I deposit 40,000. Now I say we not get any money for you. We not get money. My husband call the parents. They say they not still get. And the Mountain of Fire where he do, I will not see anyone. I can't get 14,000. I can't beg the person say I beg. May they collect this 14,000 from my hand. They say they no go fit. Say now only that 40,000 then they go collect. And my husband they not give her bed. He can't dey corner of the inside the hospital.
They are
just there. Now me they give her food. You know they feed the raised body. You know they feed they eat by itself. If I bring food, I'll still put her for a month. They can't say where my mother can't find money come. We can't go carry history. Make it sit down. You know they sit down as he sit down so. You know they feed the tongue. You know the tongue. So make they carry history the first one. They want turn and then you shot. It be like person where you want faint. Then they can't leave her. The one where they carry, we can't go give them. They say they're not doing well. Say now the side of the body now they need. They would still go there again.
I come get more time. Now I know say your husband almost explained all this one. Now I say how you don't take the fees. You the fee any help don't come at all for
no help. Only with her. With so my children. Good. Children they go school. To pay the school fees now.
First I want to commend you. Not be all women go fit stay with their husband for the risk and trial. Yes. Some of us they say so women dey by this kind of they don't room. For you to stay. Even
the hospital, I not live her.
Yeah. For you to stay.
2 months now we spend for inside hospital.
No cry.
2 months.
Say, hold on, no cry. For you to stay, you are a woman of inestimable value. So, madam, first that 2 things you want to give me now. You call her. Send me your any account number, either your husband or your own, where you trust. Call her now. Call your account number.
The account number.
Call your account number. Call your account number.
31 55 8017.
Okay.
Society Favor.
Okay. You go right and give me for people to but I don't want me to call her for video.
My phone number.
Phone number,
081 19 09 77 34.
Okay. Now, before me myself come on, and maybe you start with him. I want first of all start to make the donations. You not know me before. You never see me before. And today you go still see me rich. Eh? I can now only wait will make you see me again. Now because of say we must follow this issue to logical conclusion. I go give you my number. I not go take your own. When you start to get the benefit of Edo people, madam, take care of your husband very well. Then when the time don't reach for us to pursue the case to the end, people will sponsor that will come here. But me on my own, I want personally, Sir, take this one at 5,000.
Thank you, sir. Thank you,
This
sir.
one.
God will bless you.
Sir,
Thank you, sir.
may you
God
take
bless you,
for
sir.
now.
God
I
bless
believe
you.
say this
Thank
kind evening, una go eat, una go see arrange. But what I will feel assure you be say, Edo people worldwide will reach out to you, and the benefit you get not be small, because many Edo people did this world where they look for people like una to assist.
Thank you, sir.
So your phone number, write and give me. Let us say you don't call them. I want to put them on top so that it will not be hard for them to read. Not be everybody fit take patience and look the video. So if you look at the picture, they cry. So the phone number will be at the caption. So thank you very much. I beg, make una come to the rescue of this family, and make we collectively join hand fight this fight. You know, cannot. This man is more or less like a wasted man when you don't break his spinal cord. So thank you very much. I'm Osakuno Kudi. Bye for now.
Yeah, you've heard it from the horse's mouth. If you're also late to help, it's not only for Edo people. If you're also late to help, you can contact him or contact them with that number called out that time, and God will bless you. But if you don't have to help, or if you're not late to help, the best you can do for them, just pray for them, pray for that family, and they will get healed. Whichever help, whether in cash or in kind, God will greatly bless you. Please don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up for this video. God bless you. See you in my next video.